Welcome to DocumentWrite. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create beautiful illustrations and diagrams for technical writers. No documentation is complete without illustrations such as images, diagrams, videos, and screenshots. These convey information in an intuitive and easy to digest format. Illustrations help engage users of your documentation and make your docs more interesting, as no one likes reading a huge blob of text. In this video, I will show you various tools you can use as a technical writer to create beautiful illustrations and diagrams. So, here's what we're going to cover. We're going to cover how to create diagrams, graphics and illustrations, data visualization and charts, screenshots and screen recordings, code snippets, and finally, icons. So first of all, diagrams. Diagramming tools help you create diagrams, flowcharts, and technical representations of your information. A great tool to achieve this is draw.io. It's a web-based application that allows you to easily produce high-quality diagrams. It comes with a rich set of predefined shapes for all sorts of different diagramming needs. And best of all, it's free of cost. Next, let's talk about graphics and illustrations. Pictures draw the reader's attention while simplifying complex explanations. There are a number of great applications to help you create the perfect graphics. First of all, we have the Adobe suite, particularly Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. These give you complete control over all kinds of image manipulation, editing, and special effects. Next, we have Canva. Canva is a web-based tool with a very generous free tier. It allows you to create graphics with a professional look and has many templates that can be altered in any way you want. Next, we have another online tool called Figma. Figma is fast and frictionless. It is also a web-based tool and is a great substitute for the Adobe suite. Lastly, we also have On Fire Illustrations, which is a free, simple illustration scene builder offering a collection of characters and environment objects, all drawn in a flat style. It allows you to create amazing illustrations with minimal technical skill. Next, we have data visualization and charts. These are great for representing numerical data in a visual format. For example, line charts strikingly depict trends or changes in data. So we have a couple of tools available for that. One is Google Charts, which allows you to create visually appealing analytics of data on your website for free. These are the same chart tools that Google itself uses and come with 3 years backward compatibility guaranteed. Google Charts are easily customizable. You can configure an extensive set of options to perfectly match the look and feel of your website. Next, we have Microsoft Power BI. It provides agile inquiry and analysis without the need for specialized technical support. It allows you to create rich, interactive reports with visual analytics at your fingertips. Next, we have screenshots and screen recordings. These are great for showing step-by-step instructions in picture form or as a video. This is brilliant especially for creating tutorials. So the first tool on our list is OBS Studio. OBS makes screen capture with audio and live event streaming easy. It's free of charge and has a wide array of different configuration options, making it the most powerful screen recording tool available today. Next, we have Loom. Loom is a browser-based screen recording tool. It allows you to easily share screen recording videos and gives you detailed stats of video views and other interesting metrics. Finally, we have the humble Windows snipping tool and the macOS screenshot tool. These are very basic but extremely useful and come pre-installed on most computers today. Next, we have code snippets. So when writing documentation, in the majority of cases, you will have to show some snippets of code at some point. Carbon allows you to create and share beautiful images of your source code. Code snippets made with Carbon look sleek and professional. The other tool on our list is called CodeSnap. CodeSnap is an extension for Visual Studio Code that allows you to quickly create awesome code screenshots and provides you with many configuration options. Finally, let's take a look at icons. Icons are often used when explaining a process, as you can visually represent each step without wasting too much space. Icons are intuitive and easy to understand. Flaticon.com provides hundreds of thousands of icons for free in standard formats like PNG, SVG, PSD, and even CSS. It also has many more icons available under its premium plan, totaling over 8 million icons, providing you with unlimited possibilities for your icon-based illustrations. So that's it for this week's video. If you need help with writing your documentation, give us a call. DocumentWrite specializes in writing technical documentation. You can visit our website for more information. That's documentwrite.dev. If you enjoyed this video and would like a free PDF summary, please click the link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much and see you next time.